ಈಗ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಪ್ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಶಂಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ನ ಬರಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೋರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Namaskara. Members on the stage, I call Ranganath sir as a polymath and a polyglot. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಿಂದಿನೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇಕಿರುವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. And at the same time, I call him a polymath because he can talk on any subject. And I think he proved it today because a university can always offer domains of knowledge. But here is a man who's a powerhouse of knowledge. And with Public TV sponsoring Vidya Mandira, the education world of education, I think there is so much more depth to what he is today. The second person on the stage is Dr. Ashwath Narayan. I think you didn't listen to what I said, Rangnath sir. I called you a polyglot and a polymath, a power brand who can talk about anything and everything in the universe. And Ashwath Narayan sir, I always say that he's the best politico-educationist. To be an educationist par excellence, because I have run universities while he was in par, I know how much we have learned and what kind of a thrust he has put into education. And I think all of us as educators revere him for what he is. And of course, as a politician, he brought in a lot of change in terms of bringing in a lot more thrust of the NEP into educational institutions. Having said that, I would like to address all the counselors, the parents, and the faculty members and educators who have come here. I always say that the world is changing today. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಶಾಪ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳೋದು ಅ ಮಾಲ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎನಿಮೋರ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ street where you have too many shops, but the first thing that they ask for is a mall. Anything that they want to buy, the first preference is for a mall. And I think Public TV along with Ad6 has brought this together beautifully by setting up a mall here in Malleshwaram, which is more a mall of education. As I was walking around with both the dignitaries today, I noticed that there was so much to showcase in the world of Bangalore alone. Today's Bangalore is so congested. It's impossible for a student to cover the distances in Bangalore to look at 3 to 4 education institutions. Along with that is their mindset for a mall, where they go to one place and they shop around and bring out the best that they require. And I think both Public TV and Ad6, along with, by calling it a mandira, meaning to say a temple for education, have brought in this culture where a student can just walk around in one place and decide which institution he can select. A word to the parents. I think it is impossible with the kind of work that we have today to go around and visit every campus and look at which is the best campus for our child. A place like this gives you an insight into what is the offering in every institution and probably helps you decide what is the best for your student. To the students, I always say that after you have finished your undergraduation is only your passport to the world that you will be getting into, to the industry that you would be getting into. Nim actual work permit sigodu post graduation educationally. A work permit sigbekadre, you have to ensure that you get the best out of the world of education. As I was walking around, I saw some of the institutions eshtondi invest madidare to bring in technology into that stall so that you get a real time experience of the campus that you would have otherwise visited, to bring in the international dimension of what your universities are offering, the kind of tie-up that Rangnath sir was just talking about in terms of the competition from the Western world to set up education setups over here. You are offering so many programs that is a semester abroad and exchange program, which I think is a very good point for students to benefit from today. So what if they cannot go outside? There is a world that can come inside their homes, and that is what India is in a capacity to offer today. So that's a brilliant kind of an exposure that we have in an expo like this. My third observation that I would like to share with you is about how I noticed in every stall there were educators, teachers who were involved in it. I don't think marketing and showing the offering what an university or an institution can offer is only the job of a counselor. It is also the job of us educators who need to showcase what we can deliver, a promise that we can keep to our students. And this is a common platform for us to showcase that talent to our students as well. So my earnest appeal to all parents, ನನ್ನ ಹಂಬಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಶ್ವಥ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು ಅಬೌಟ್, and also the global kind of immersion programs and internships, which is a must for an education institution to survive. ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯಾ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದೇ ಇವಾಗ. ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ such an exposure is being given to students, and I thank Rangnath sir and the entire crew of Public TV for having invited me over as a guest to speak. I thank Mr. Sudhakar from Ad6, who never listens to a no, and so I'm here to talk to all of you. And I wish every stall, every institution, every person who's involved in it all the best. Let us give the students the best showcasing that we can, give them the best counseling that they can, and give them the best information that we can, because that is something that is going to determine the future of the country. Thank you so much, and all the best to everybody who's gathered here.